MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by a braided wig. Yay! I've been so excited to give a braided wig a try, and this one I feel is gonna be amazing. So this wig is from divatrust.com. Do check them out. We love divatrust.com. There's also coupons down below. This wig is from a company called Newborn Free, and this is part of their Magic Lace Front collection in the braided wig. So they actually have quite a few different styles in this, and then of course it comes in like an amazing amount of colors. So do check that out. I have this wig right here in this really interesting DYX/Kim Blonde. So it's actually pretty much almost like a platinum, really has a platinum vibe. But what's so extremely interesting about it, I don't know if you can see right here, but they're almost like the very palest, I don't even know, like almost like a pink or a champagne color, like right in here. But I'm actually really loving this color tone, like super platinum. I mean, that's almost like a white, super platinum, and it does have brown, super brown roots. Look, I mean, let's just take a couple minutes right here and look at this awesome braided top. I mean, that is pretty magical right there. Just really fun. And she does also have baby hairs pre-cut, which is really amazing. So since she has this braided top, I would gather that her, her lace front is around, 5 inches right here. She's very light. It doesn't say how long she is. I'd probably say around 22 inches or so. She does have some mid-length layers, as you can see right here, so that'd be really great for the face framing and whatnot. And she just has this really awesome curl pattern to it, which is very like summery and fun. I cannot wait to brush her out and see what she's going to look like. She is also heat safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to heat modify her. All right, so let's put this girl on. I do have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I call it deal of the century. I'll leave the link down below for that. Always good to have a lot of wig caps around your house. Oh, I actually got so into looking at the braided top, I forgot to talk about the construction of the wig. So let's take a look at her. So she does have the 2 combs right here in the side. She's got 1 comb right here in the middle, and then she actually does have a comb right here in the fasteners. So she does have a medium-sized cap. So if you require a large head-friendly wig, she would work for you. So there she is. All right, I put my wigs on front to back. Hello, little fun dream girl. All right, so let's actually come up to the camera so I can show you what she would look like by gluing her down. Her hairline isn't bad. I probably, with this, I probably lighten her up right here with this lighter part. But, this front part all looks really good with these pre-plucked baby hairs. So that looks pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, and let's cut the lace off really quick. All right, so let's brush her out real quick to see how great her curls look. Oh my goodness, she is just so much fun, and she's extremely light. She's so light on my head, almost feels like I'm not even wearing a wig. She does have minimal shedding, I feel, nothing aggressive. Her hair texture is silky. It's really nice, like I said, very, very light on your head. Let me just come up right here. I'm gonna take a little peek at her funness. And of course, what I would do prior to me putting her on, I would actually just dust the inside of this lace part with foundation, just to have it match a little bit more of my scalp color. And of course, gluing her down would be optimal, and laying down those baby hairs and being as fabulous as you can be. So really digging this fun wig. She comes in some really fun colors. So definitely check that out. Again, this wig is from divatrust.com. Coupon codes down below. And let me know if you have any braided wigs, or if you have this wig. I would seriously love to see you rocking it out. And of course, reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you wearing your wigs and being amazing. Let's just all empower each other every single day to be the best that we can be. Because life is short, wear a wig and have fun. And I want to thank you, and we